Our fathers sojourned to Liverpool many years ago and formed the first Igbo Union in Europe there in 1935. This union, which has been existing from then till today, called Igbo Community Association Liverpool, is inviting Igbo all over Europe to an Igbo Day celebration on Saturday the 5th of October 2013 at Crawford House, Community Partnership Center, 2 Went Street, Liverpool, L8 8DN, from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is a historical event in honor of our fathers and our beautiful culture. There shall be a display of our historical artifacts and many other forms of activities to entertain and make that day a memorable one. We look forward to seeing you there. Please call our contacts for your queries. Ndị be anyị, mma mmanụ, ya gaziere unu, ndewonu.